off the highway and on the dirt roads. As you can see, we got a little snow yesterday, or I guess the day before. I'm on a piece of public land here at the edge of the forest, and I'm going to try to camp here tonight somewhere. Well, I made it here. This is camp. It's pretty sparse for trees, but it'll do. I'm gonna go try and round up some firewood now, try to find some dead pine trees. According to my GPS, we're at 7,600 feet. So, pretty nice right now. Probably get pretty cold tonight. tailgate. It's not too bad. Nice and open out here. Pretty quiet. And nice clear skies. Can't complain. Well, it's getting close to dinner time, so try to get a fire going. I've got some pine shavings here I made, and then I've got some grass and some pine needles, and hopefully I can light one of them on fire with this ferro rod here. So we'll give it a go. Looks like we got some flame. Hopefully that'll stay burning long enough. Catch this other stuff on fire. The fire's doing well, and while we're waiting on the fire, we cut up the canned meat for dinner, and also the can of chili. So really simple. If you don't want to bring a can opener, these lids are nice here. And if you don't have this lid, it's no big deal. You have a knife, and you can open these things up as long as you don't cut yourself. Hopefully you can see it here, but even though we're at 7,600 feet up here in the mountains on the edge of a forest, there's all these little cactus everywhere on the ground. They're very small, which is part of the problem, because if you're not paying attention, you will kneel down in one or lay down in one, as I have done before while hunting up here, and then you'll be pulling those needles out of your skin. So just something to watch out for. Well, dinner is cooking nicely. I'll be eating here very soon. Well, I didn't use much equipment today to procure my firewood or cook dinner. Basically, all I brought with me, I have extra equipment that I didn't need today, but cheap hatchet, a knife, the spork here, my ferro rod, I've got a Nalgene there, and then of course my cast iron skillet that I cook my dinner in. Pretty small amount of equipment you need to come out here and spend the night, so it doesn't cost a lot of money. On my truck here, I have this old wilderness camper, which is you can't see it right now because I don't have it flipped out, but it's pretty cool. A tent pops out the top, but anyway, I'm not going to use it tonight. I'm just by myself, and it's going to be fairly cold, so here's my sleeping setup. I've got a few just foam mattress pads and a 0-degree sleeping bag. I also have a couple more sleeping bags just for extra blankets if need be, but should be alright. One thing you may notice I didn't bring today was an ice chest, and because it's mid-March, the snow here works quite well for keeping your beverages cold, especially if you're only going to be here for a day or two. I wouldn't bother bringing one. There's plenty of snow drifts around here to keep your food or drinks cold. Well, the sun's about to go down, so I don't know how much more filming I'll do, but it's been a pretty nice day. Probably stay up a couple more hours and then go to bed. Sun's going down and fire's burning pretty nice. Just pulled my beverage out of my ice chest over there. It's nice and cold, even though I've been here for, I don't know, 6 hours at least. Cheers. Well, the fire's dying down. It's nice and dark. It's getting cold. So, good night. It's time for bed. Well, I stayed nice and warm last night. Didn't get that cold. So here we are next morning, and I just got a little bit of gear to pick up, and I'm going to head back to town. Pretty nice one-night camping trip. All packed up and ready to head out. saw these mule deer up on this ridge, so figured I better stop for a second.